Working on C++ development and encountered CC source code files. These are C++ source files using an alternative extension common in Unix and Linux environments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view, edit, and compile these C++ source code files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single CC file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. A CC file is a source code file written in the C++ programming language, a powerful general-purpose language used for system software, game development, and high-performance applications. Users encounter these files when compiling software from source or developing their own C++ projects, needing a compiler and text editor to view and modify the code. This is a plain text file containing C++ syntax, including variable declarations, functions, classes, and preprocessor directives. The design as plain text ensures maximum portability across different operating systems and compilers, like GCTASC, Clang, MSVC, allowing developers to share and build code with minimal compatibility issues. The application responsible for generating the CC file is typically Microsoft Visual Studio Code by Microsoft Corporation. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows shows only the text portion, while actual execution requires a scripting framework. Let's use the list of installed programs to identify the best match. Right-click your CC file, then click Open With. Test Microsoft Visual Studio Code if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, opening in a code editor. CC files are plain text, so open them in Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text Vim, or any code editor with C++ syntax highlighting. Rely on JetBrains. IDE provides advanced C++ development features including IntelliSense, refactoring, and integrated debugging. Visual Studio Community is also free for individual use with comprehensive C++ tooling. Next, compiling with G++. Compile CC files with GCC's G++ compiler using a command like g++ omyprogramsource.cc std++7 producing an executable. Add additional CC files to the command line for multi-file projects. Use make or cmake build systems for complex projects, automating compilation across multiple source files with proper dependency management. Finally, building with cmake. For larger projects, use cmake to manage CC file compilation. Create a cmakelists.txt, specifying project sources, including CC files and target executable. Run cmake configuration followed by make build commands. cmake works cross-platform, supporting Windows, Linux, and Mac with consistent build configurations across development environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.